Do you want to know how to fix Instagram reply option not showing? Well, then you have come to the right video because I'm going to show you exactly how to fix this. But make sure that you watch this video until the very end so don't make any mistake in this process. So let's go to the Instagram application, go to the messages, and you can see here that my reply option is already showing. But if yours is not showing, the first thing that you need to check is the version of your application. Exit Instagram and proceed to the Play Store. Search Instagram updates. If it's not just updated, and yes, go back to Instagram. Go to messages, screenshot your options after holding the message. Go to profile page, select the three lines on top of the screen. Go to setting, help, and report a problem. Attach a screenshot and write a short message. Just type in like, Instagram team, I have an issue with chatting. I have no reply option on my Instagram app. Please check and resolve the issue. After sending an issue, wait for 7 days and your reply option should be available. We hope you enjoyed our video. If you found it useful, please show your support by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel. If you have any questions or comment about the topic we covered today, we do love to hear from you in the comment section below. Thank you for watching and we hope you have a fantastic day.